This is amazing drink at home. I did a video a few weeks ago on this drink. Honestly, it is fantastic. You need 1 clove of garlic and also 1 medium-sized pear. Make sure you wash it off, because washing off is the most important part of the whole drink. So you cut up the pear into medium size. Get a piece of a ginger. Honestly, what I'm going to do is remove the skin from the lemon, the lime. I'm using some lime. And I remove the skin. Alright, put it straight inside of it. Pour some water in it like this. Fill it up with some water. This drink is the boss of all. Now, I'm just going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Simple and easy. That is lovely and nice. All right, let's put that one aside. It's easy, nothing too complicated. Wow, you can smell that garlic and ginger. Lovely. Now, and that's the way it goes. In the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Then we're gonna just put a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in it. And drink it natural like that. Don't put no sugar, no honey, nothing inside of it. Just keep it natural and authentic like that. Anyway, guys, this is a simple recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Hopefully you will like the recipe. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the description box. We got a lot more recipe like this will be coming and a lot more ideas. So please stay tuned. And not only that, the best time to drink this one is in the morning or at night before you go to your bed. Natural and authentic, nothing inside of it, just keep you healthy and good for you. Stay tuned with Chef Ricardo.